Hello everybody, Monty Reed here, and this is How to Lose 42 Pounds, Day 5. So Day 5 was a struggle, did not get to the gym. We're going for every other day with the eventual goal of going every single day. Started out with the smoothie, which is 8 servings of fruits and vegetables. I'll put a list of that recipe in the description. Then lunch was a taco salad, and then dinner was more taco salad, and ended up losing 1, so we're down to 213. So how to lose 42 pounds, 43 pounds to go. Yeah, that's right, I lost some, I'm going to gain some back. And so anyway, continuing on the fight, again, like I mentioned, did some testing with the urine and saliva, and the testing results do show cholesterol and your pH and that sort of thing. So I got those test results back today. So we're going to be changing my diet and also increasing the intake of clean distilled water. And so that's going to be interesting. So we'll tell you more about that. And pretty amazing program where you can just click and the test package shows up with instructions. You fill them, send them off, and then you get test results. So it's pretty awesome. So talk to Melissa today, and we're going to be doing an interview with her to get more information about the R something something. Anyway, it has to do with testing and balancing your pH in your body. And so pretty awesome stuff. And of course, always trying to find a balance between nutrition and exercise. When I was taking a medical history and ethics class at the UW, the professor shared the first day that one of the interesting things about medical research is this treatise, which is what they used to call research papers. Socrates wrote one 2,000 years ago, and it was how the key to health is the balance between the food you eat and the amount of exercise that you do. And the professor pointed out that weekly he would give us a news article of some kind about some new report out showing that the key to health and long life and happiness is a balance between nutrition and exercise. So thanks again, everybody, for checking in. And we're going to continue this thing until we get me down to being a lean, mean fighting machine, healthy and well, and going to live a long, healthy, happy life. Thanks again for checking in. This is Monty Reed. Have a great day.